Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to play the video with audio in Zoom. So now you need to open the Zoom desktop client and sign in with your account. If you don't have already an account, you can just sign up with your Google account or Facebook or other associated accounts with Zoom and or otherwise you can just create a new account with an email, password and username, etc. etc. So after you open your desktop client, you will be directed to this menu or to the home page. Now we need to join a meeting or create a new one. As an example, I'm just going to create a new meeting, and as you can see, it will requires me or ask me if I want to join the computer with audio. So of course I will join the audio to the computer, and now I'm going just to start uh, the video, or you can just start sharing screen. Now the computer sound is being played with the video uh, of you, or you can just share screen and all the videos that you are sharing will be heard by the users or the participants here. So basically, this is how you can play like a video with audio in Zoom meetings. Thank you for watching and goodbye.